We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, JPY. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action, lower lows. Price action, higher highs. Midpoint. Also adding second level lows and also adding third level lows. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So current price is sitting at 151.340. So if price work its way up, it can head between that midpoint of the resistance. So it can head up to the numbers of 157.912. And if price work its way down, it can head down to the bottom of that second last candle body, which would be like the midpoint of that area. Come up just a little bit. So we grab the second last candle wick for that low. If price come back down to 146.418, somewhere in that area. So let's see the market patterns of what happened. So we do know that price action the bullish green candle. It did break a resistance turn to support line. So that market pushes up. So that pattern's trying to form that overall first, second, third, and we see that fourth. Now we see a retest at the SR line, but we may want to see a full retest for the market to return to push up further. If not, we can keep seeing that market push up for a bullish green candle. And we do know that price action broke a level. So let's try to get this level in between. Price action high, price action low. Midpoint in the middle. So price action just broke a SR line, which in that overall midpoint. So we're going to see if that market is retesting to push up further. If not, market could come down for a further retest to come right back up. Now, if that market works its way down from that structure, we have a pattern, multiple pushes to that top. So you see that market broke, came back to return. So we do have that overall first, second, third. Market pushed down, so we had a double top on the left hand side. Market came back for a full retest. If that market doesn't break this area, market could come down from a double top and retest. Price action on or price action can also work its way sideways on that SR line. Working our way to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is identifying a bullish green candle. We do see that break of the market from the previous side. From the SR line. So there's patterns in here. So right below the price action, we did receive a pattern with that incline W. So market did break and retest. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth. So we got that push in that market. So we are looking for that retest somewhere in this area for that market to push up further. Market working our way down to daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is identifying a bullish green candle. So we still have that break of that market, and on the daily time frame, we can see markets coming from that triple bottom or that triple bottom and retest. We do have that first, second, third, fourth retest, one double retest, and the market pushed up. And then we did receive the break of the SR line, so we're looking for that retest for that market to push up further. Price action is identifying a push up to that top, so it's tagging something in that area. Lost a lot of no momentum with that price action wick, so it could be coming down or consolidating sideways. But we'll see as we walk down the market. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see in the 4-hour time frame price action is a bearish red doji side by side with the second last candle. So now we're starting to get some resistance at the top. So besides the consolidation, because price action is inside the second last candle, price action second last candle did tag that resistance twice. So it's a double top forming, and also as a consolidation. Price action didn't break the midpoint, so it could be retesting. So we are in the middle of that second last candle. So what it's identifying is market spiked up twice, came back to retest, and it can follow up with a bullish green candle if it engulfs that price in second to identify a break and retest. If not, if we receive this, now this price action candle is still active, so if this engulfs that second last candle, market is working its way down. So market may not work its way down fully to the bottom of that full retest, maybe not, but we'll identify the resistance. We do have the bottom of that support, so there's a midpoint line right here, so price action can come back to the areas, and we'll put the SR line somewhere in that area. So market price can come back to the area of 150.121 for a midpoint retest to come back up further. But if it breaks this midpoint of this area, it can work its way down further. Also, we're going to put this in a zone, so we're going to see what's really going on with this price action candle. So as we walk down the time frame, every candle within this zone will be consolidation until we see that breakout to the top side or to the bottom side. Working our way to 3-hour time frame, same as well. So same pattern, price action still trying to engulf that second last candle down to the downside to reach the bottom of that zone, but did not. Side by side receiving consolidation. Same as a 2-hour time frame, price second side by side consolidation, tag that area resistance. Could be respected because price action still didn't break that price action doji. Second last candle doji. 1-hour time frame. So now we have three. Now it's reading as a 3 pushes to the top. So market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, and now we got a push. So it's a double top and a retest and a bit of a push. But even though we have that push, the market did not break that second last candle and close out below this area yet to push that market down. Once this market started closing out below price, then we can see market work its way down to the next level, to the working its way to that bottom of that zone. 45-minute time frame still reading the same thing. Price action still active, still trying to go off that second last candle wick, but still haven't. So it could still create some momentum for a break retest and the market comes up. So it's identifying a first, second, third, fourth, a double top. So that double top could turn around and be respected for that break and retest and it work its way up further. 30-minute time frame, still reading the same thing, looking for price to engulf the third to fourth last candle in the market to close out below those wicks to push that market down, but haven't yet, still active for the push. 15-minute time frame. Price action, bearish red candle. So the candles are getting bigger as it coming down. So we'll see if that market, what's going to really happen once that market gets to the bottom of that 2, 3, 4, the 5th to the 6th candle wicks, because we're going to see if it's going to happen at that area. But pattern is still identifying at double top, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market push down. Now it's identifying as a head and shoulders pattern, double top and a retest, push down. So it's still overall break and retest, could be respected for that midpoint to work its way up. If not, as I said before, if it engulfs, price working its way down. 5-minute time frame. So price action is identifying on the 5-minute time frame as it could be a reversal if we receive this candle. So price action is a doji, so it's showing that it is creating that side-by-side consolidation. If it closes out as this doji, next candle is a bullish green candle, you can see it work its way up. Now, if that market starts to reverse, we want to see price action engulf the second last candle. Engulf it would be the price action candle and clear out that second last candle, push that market up. If not, price action can still work its way down below these wicks here. And if that does happen and close out, then we're looking for the market to drop down further. 3-minute time frame, same as well. Starting to get some rejection. Price second, third, the last candle spiked that low, so it could be a reversal could be happening. And now we can start seeing a reversal happening with the second last candle engulfing the price third last candle with price action. Look like it has a push if it pushes up for momentum for that bullish green. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. USD, JPY.